Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome to Suraci's Cafe. I was in fine dining for about 20 years and I decided that I want to do something more casual, more fast-paced, focus on the food more. We were in New York, we were in the Bronx, and we were in Manhattan, and we had a couple delis and we decided, hey, why don't we try this? So we didn't see any of these concepts around here, any specialty deli shops. People always like to see you there. They like to see the owner there. They like to see the owner working. We cut our own meats. I have the slicers over there and our pasta machines, and they like to see that. They like the handcraftedness. They like to see their meat cut to order. Our meats are out of Italy. I have a direct supplier. Savello's been tremendous to us. Great family. They're actually in Hanover. You couldn't imagine a place like Savello delivered in New York City and San Francisco being in Hanover. Everything's hand cut, handmade. So that's what we try to focus on, the quality of the food. I usually do my specials at 9 o'clock in the morning because if not, the phone is ringing at 9:30, 10 o'clock to where's your specials. As far as the hoagies, the Danielle, that's our signature, I would say, hoagie, because people always say to me, what's your Italian hoagie? I go, they're all Italian. But this one here is probably our most popular. As far as pastas, we make our own cavatellis. And our gnocchis too. We make our own potato gnocchis. So, that and the bolognese, you can't beat those dishes. I think it's bigger than just food. For the first time, I get to actually talk to the customer. Like when you're in the back of the house as a chef, all you hear is the problems. But when you're out front and you get to speak to your customer, it's your business. That's been the best thing. So we continue to grow with the customer base.